Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Genius Guide. Today we're diving into the top 5 AI tools you need on your radar in 2024. These tools can write content, code websites, generate art, and make you sound like a pro. Let's get started. First up, we've got ChatGPT, more than just a chatbot. This AI from OpenAI can write blog posts, social media captions, articles, and even code. Think of it as a super smart writing partner available 24/7. Stuck on a concept? Need help structuring your thoughts? ChatGPT's got your back. You can ask it anything, from writing a catchy intro to generating Python code. And the craziest part? It understands context. It's like having a personal writing assistant on steroids. Next up, AI art with Midjourney. Imagine typing a few words and having AI transform it into stunning art. That's Midjourney in a nutshell. Photorealistic images, abstract art, surreal landscapes, you name it, Midjourney can create it. The level of detail and creativity is insane, and you don't need any artistic skills. Let's head over to the Midjourney platform. I'm typing in futuristic cityscape at sunset, flying cars, vibrant colors, and there you have it, a breathtaking, unique image. Chapter 3, Notion AI, Supercharge Your Productivity. In this chapter, we will explore how Notion AI can revolutionize the way you work, making your tasks more efficient and your workflow smoother. Notion AI integrates powerful AI features directly into your workflow. Imagine having a smart assistant that understands your needs and helps you stay organized. Need to summarize a long article or generate creative content ideas? Notion AI can handle these tasks effortlessly, saving you valuable time and energy. Notion AI can do it in seconds. Whether you're drafting an email, writing a report, or brainstorming new ideas, it accelerates your productivity. It helps you write better, faster, and with more clarity. Let's hop into Notion and see how it can transform your daily tasks. I'm working on a project plan with tons of notes and ideas. It's easy to get overwhelmed, but Notion AI is here to help. With Notion AI, I can highlight everything and ask it to create a project plan with tasks and deadlines. It organizes my thoughts and ensures nothing is missed. Notion AI transforms my jumbled mess into a structured project plan. It turns chaos into clarity, making it easier to stay on top of my work and meet deadlines efficiently. Chapter 4, Pictory AI Videos Made Easy. Pictory makes creating professional-looking videos incredibly easy. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or a complete beginner, Pictory's intuitive interface and powerful features make the process seamless and enjoyable. Turn blog posts into engaging videos, create social media clips, or even develop comprehensive video presentations. The possibilities are endless with Pictory. With just a few clicks, you can transform your written content into dynamic visual stories. Pictory can transcribe videos, add captions, and even create different video formats to suit your needs. Let's jump into Pictory and see how it works. I've got a blog post about AI tools. I simply paste the link into Pictory, and Pictory automatically pulls in all the text and images from the blog post. It's like magic. Now let's choose a video style. Pictory offers a variety of templates and styles to match the tone and purpose of your video. Once you've selected your style, Pictory does the heavy lifting. It arranges your content, adds transitions, and even includes background music. And voila! In just a few minutes, you have a fully edited video complete with music, transitions, and captions. It's truly remarkable. It's seriously impressive how easy Pictory makes video creation. Whether for personal projects or professional presentations, Pictory is the tool you need to bring your ideas to life. Chapter 5, Grammarly, your AI writing assistant. Grammarly is like having a super-powered proofreader and writing coach built into your browser. It catches typos and grammatical errors, but goes beyond that. Grammarly analyzes your writing for clarity, conciseness, tone, and even plagiarism. Let's head over to my inbox. I'm writing an email, and Grammarly is already hard at work. It's flagging typos, suggesting better word choices, and pointing out sentences that could be clearer. It's like having a writing partner who's always looking out for you. Outro: the future of productivity and creativity. As we look ahead, the landscape of productivity and creativity is being reshaped by groundbreaking AI tools. These innovations are not just enhancing our capabilities, but are also redefining the way we approach our daily tasks and creative projects. There you have it, my top 5 AI tools of 2024. These tools are revolutionizing the way we work and create, making it easier to achieve more in less time. Whether you're a professional, a student, or a hobbyist, these AI tools can significantly boost your productivity and creativity. From ChatGPT's content generation to Midjourney's artistic prowess, Notion AI's productivity hacks, Pictory's video editing magic, and Grammarly's writing assistants, each tool offers unique features that cater to different needs. Imagine being able to generate high-quality content effortlessly, create stunning digital art, streamline your workflow, edit videos like a pro, and polish your writing to perfection. AI is evolving at an insane pace, and it's fascinating to see how these advancements are being integrated into our daily lives. The speed at which AI technology is developing means that we can expect even more powerful and intuitive tools in the near future. These tools are only going to get more powerful. As AI continues to advance, we will see even more sophisticated applications that can handle complex tasks with ease, making our lives more efficient and our creative endeavors more fulfilling. Which one of these tools are you most excited to try out? Each of these AI tools has the potential to transform the way you work and create, so it's worth exploring them to see which one fits your needs best. Let me know in the comments. Your feedback is invaluable, and I'm curious to hear about your experiences and which tools you find most useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Genius Guide for more amazing AI content. By staying connected, you'll be the first to know about the latest AI tools and how they can benefit you. See you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring the incredible world of AI and discovering new ways to enhance your productivity and creativity.